Well, we have almost come to our end with this car. We believe it's the chassis harness that's not giving power to the entire ignition system. So we have one more trick up our sleeves. We're gonna get a new chassis harness and we're gonna check a part out and see if we can get it, if that can fix the issue. I'm gonna do more testing with the continuity tester to see where are the faults, but all of this is good until the chassis harness. He must have had a short in that drive and it went to the gutter. You let us know, YouTube. Should we keep the car and keep restoring it? Fred is actually having second thoughts. I'm having second thoughts. We're planning on getting another hatch. Swapping everything that we did to this one over to that hatch and probably selling this one to someone that has more time and space. As you can see, I'm working out of a one-car garage. If we get two shells or, start welding and cutting, we don't have the space for it, nor the tools to get that done. So that's where we're at a standstill. So I hope you guys understand. We're not trying to give this to somebody else, a headache to somebody else, but hopefully to someone that has the time and space for it. I don't, Fred doesn't, so we were hoping this was gonna be a lot easier, but after this happening, it has been becoming more of an issue and a headache than it should be. We are gonna go see another car. Tune into the next video and we will show you that. That's how it looks. That's the rust. He has the quarter panel. This is 3M tape? No, but like, how is it molded on? This? I don't know. Oh, you don't know? Oh, that's how you got it? Yep. Okay, gotcha.
I was told it was an OEM.
Yeah. This is the part. And then this is the rust. All right, so we might have come to a result. We may think it's the wire harness. Thankfully, I had another one from the old motor. I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna connect it and see if it turns on. If it cranks over, then we know it's the wire harness. The reason I think it's the wire harness because we're not getting no power at all from the distributor plug, and I see oil in it every single time. Secondly, we have no power to the other distributor two plug wire as well. Not sure what happened, but I think that's probably it. And we're just gonna connect the new harness and see what happens. All right, so we swapped out the harness, put the D15 harness, so we got no VTEC, but let's see if it works. I just kind of plugged it in and didn't really do a great job at it, just because I just need to see if it works. And if it does work, then we're on to something. Oh, that's not good. The ECU is fried because it's smoking. We have a bit of bad news. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, the ECU is smoking. Yeah, let's give that a minute because let's not produce any power from here because the ECU is literally smoking the wires and everything, so there must have been a short or something. And it smells bad too. All right, so we have came to the conclusion that we're gonna sell the whole swap. There's nothing wrong with the swap. We believe we have a harness issue, maybe. Not sure yet. We got another harness connected. Yeah, our PO6 ECU got fried. I'll put a clip here to show you guys. Once I opened it up, I'm trying to see where it burnt at, but just a bunch of smoke came out of it. So I gotta go get another ECU just to make sure. I don't know what caused it. All right, I found the burn spot. It's right over here. Hopefully, yeah, I can see it right there. Just a burn spot. This one looks swollen. I'm checking to see any other burn spots around here. Looks like toast. Thankfully, my neighbor has a P28 for sale, so I'm gonna go pick that up. Hopefully, I don't burn that one too. I'm not sure how this happened, but yeah, a bunch of smoke just came out of it. But ultimately, I think I had one of the plugs in the VTEC switch incorrectly when it was supposed to be over here. I believe that's what caused it. And yeah, it kind of started smoking. We checked that and we tried to start it again to see if it would start, but we got nothing. Now I'm checking everything else to ensure it, but the ECU is fried already at this point. I was gonna get a P28 from my neighbor, but he ended up selling it. So we're gonna either get another P28 or you tell us, should we go K? We're thinking about going K, call it a day, get all of this out of here. Fred doesn't want to keep investing money on a D series that he's not gonna keep. So let's give this to somebody else and let's throw in a new K. What you think, guys? Stay tuned for the next episode.